So, ever wondered how you can create a trigger area in a 3D Godot game to run code when some objects enter or exit a given zone? You can do this easily thanks to the built-in Area 3D node. So first you need to give this node a collision-shaped 3D child node to define its physical shape. For example, here I'm using a spherical zone that is shown in blue wireframe in the viewport. Then you can connect its body entered and/or body exited signals to callback functions to track triggers from 3D physics bodies in the scene. Or similarly, the area entered and/or area exited signals to track triggers from the other 3D areas in the scene. The callback functions can be any method on any node in the scene. You simply need to make sure that the method expects at least one parameter of type node3D, like this. And here you are. Now every time a physics body enters the trigger zone, the callback will run, which can allow you to quickly create field of vision zones for your enemies or capture the flag points, for example. So trigger areas can be a great way of making your scenes more interesting and more alive. But you know what else can really help sell your game levels? Sounds and music. So if you want to learn how to do that in Godot 4, check out this other quick tutorial. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to discover more. As always, thanks for watching and take care.